so tonight is day 2, part 2 of the S2000 turbo build. We're gonna work on getting the actual header itself off of the car. Last night we got the exhaust, the cat, all that kind of nonsense off. Get this intake off, get the front bumper off, start mocking stuff up. This intake's like real sketchy. There's like, this is holding this on, and then there's like this down here that has literally a bolt stuck right in the middle of it, so.
I spilled coffee on my wrap. Look at that. That's why you can't have nice things. People come up here, spill their coffee. Look at that.
Man.
I can't, it's coffee stained. I'm triggered.
That's not on the wrap. We need like a third, like somebody reliable. Man, look at the legs on that thing. Hey. It's too warm. It's
a single guy now.
It's too warm. They're freaking, they're being resurrected. You have a baseball bat or something, like a wiffle bat? Oh, he dive bombed. Oh, man, he's right here, he's right here. He's not happy now, man. He's angry, he's pissed off. Pissed off. Oh, man! Oh. He's back! Oh, he's hurt! He's hurt! He's on his back! Get him! Get him! Get him!
It's stuck on my hat. He just got hat sniped.
Woo!
Oh, let's get back to building drift cars.
Man.
I'll just do something really bad.
Woo! Alright, so that was the first step to get the bumper off. This is like all this nastiness down here though. I think it should come off now. What?
That thing is on there so solid. You're so sadly mistaken. No. Like I even see bolts up top that are bolted way up there.
Where?
They're bolted to the fenders up top. These little bolts.
Man, that guy.
There's one right here. There's all sorts of bolts.
There's one more bolt. It should just be these two things. Or not, no, that's not it. That's on itself. That's holding the bracket on. That's holding on.
That's definitely bolted on there. That needs to come off.
Hold on. No, that's one piece. There's a bracket right there. I'm telling you.
It's not moving at all. You sound awfully triggered.
You don't know what you're talking about. Where's the little ratchet?
You don't even know what tools are. The fender's all loose.
This is always the fun part, ripping stuff apart. Sucks now we gotta put it all back together. This one's for Teddy. All these strokes. We need to recruit another MedicMagic person. Someone that reliable. I invited Red.
I'm telling you. You're unbolting the fender.
Dude, that is linked in with this. I know what I'm freaking talking about.
Yeah, you watched one YouTube video on how to remove a bumper.
Now, this should just come right off.
What do you think the chances of it actually?
Yeah, let's do a little poll. What's the chances of the bumper coming off whenever I pull on it?
God, that looks like it's on there with like 10,000 more bolts.
I don't think it is. You got a flashlight? Oh, there's our problem. How the fuck am I supposed to get that bolt? Hey! You're recording? It's like there's something right there.
We're having some technical difficulties. We'll be back momentarily.
The airbag just goes off. How fucked would that be? Both the airbags just go. Watch the car.
Man, that thing looks lightweight.
What do you think?
I don't know.
Tube bumper or no tube bumper? That is the question. Is the bumper gonna go back on or not?
I'm gonna put a tube bumper on no matter what they say.
You think so? Well, the bumper's off. Get the intake and the header off. Man, you're looking to put in some work today. What time is it?
Time to do work. Got a bunch of stuff to do.
Alright. If we're gonna make the deadline April 12th, that's the first card meet. We're gonna be rolling in. I'll take this big stupid air filter off.
Oh, hold on, I got part of the camera in this. There we go. Russ, there's no reason to take that filter off. Just take the whole tube off. Quit hamming it up for the camera.
Can't let me have it. Yeah.
It's because you want the content.
Can't let me have this one thing. Why does it look like that's not even moving? Now it is. My granddad always talked lefty loosey.
That was the wrong.
No, it wasn't.
You didn't even have to take that one off.
Man, can you stop doing what you're doing?
I'm doing work.
No, you're not doing any work.
Well, you know, I like a set of grips on my cutters, you know.
Oh!
You're just getting way too dramatic.
That's when you start shaking the camera.
Send him out to Hollywood. He's a real actor.
Can I just take this off now?
Just pull it off.
Oh, this is Spectra. This is high dollar. I could probably sell this. We'll look it up. Spectra. This is probably $300 part.
Russ, that's like AutoZone's.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Like house brand of garbage.
Man, we're making a lot of progress in this one video. Look how brand new that looks. Why does this all look brand new? It was probably in a wreck.
Definitely was.
Why would all this stuff look so brand new? All right, so we take this off?
Yeah, pull that off. Get that engine out of there too so we can see it better.
We might have to lower this down a little bit.
Or if we just had some stretch like Teddy.
Yeah, if Teddy was.
Just give him the wrench and...
Well, we got the heat shield out. Seriously. That's tiny. Now, is this just gonna pop out of here? There we go. Oh yeah, maybe.
Well, that was tricky.
That was like brand new.
Does it look safe?
Yeah.
Is there anything? At least it'll be the back one.
So we're down to our last stud. And of course, it's like the hardest one to get, so we're gonna see if we can get it without breaking it.
I can get the front ones, I can't get those back ones.
Oh, yeah, right. I don't know how we're gonna pull the header so far this way. I gotta get up and go to work in the morning, guy. It's almost 10 o'clock. It's like 9:30.
Every other one.
That doesn't look good.
Guy, would you... You want to get in here and do it?
Don't snap it off.
Give me some heat then.
Work? Don't melt that AC line.
I don't like it. I like it. It's getting hot. I don't like it.
Go get in there quick. Is that on there the whole way?
I can't see.
I don't know what you want me to do, guy.
There we go.
Is that good snap or bad snap?
There we go.
Bring her home, Santa. Bring her home.
Hold that.
Man, Teddy's really missing out.
Yeah.
So what, you think that's just gonna fall off there now? This looks like something out of like Ghost Hunters.
Yeah, she's gonna give up the ghost.
Oh man, it's gonna give up the ghost eventually. Like you said, what are all these extra nonsense lines going to?
Nonsenseville. There's that one nut that you almost went home and cried.
Didn't get 100,000 subs.
Because you didn't want to take off. I think it'll just pop right off now. What do you think?
No.
Get to the polls.
Yeah.
Vote now.
Freeze frame.
We forgot to do this again with the bumper. But this is our first try. Oops. Just pull it off.
Man.
Look at that. Whoa, wow. Man, look at it.
Oh, it's heavy. It's real heavy.
Oh, don't bust anything.
It's heavy. Should I try and bring it? Man, it smells like exhaust. Should we try to take it out?
Well, that's better than smelling like...
Where should it go? Should it go out the bottom? Can it go out the bottom?
I think you gotta pull it out the top.
The top?
I don't know.
I think it's gonna
just
go...
let it hang.
I think it's gonna go out the bottom. It's gonna go out the bottom.
Well, send it.
It's out.
Huh? What do you mean it's out?
I think it's out. I don't know. It's gonna get out.
Jack the car up then.
Man.
Well, this pull went a lot better than the last one.
Yeah. Send it. That header's like.
That's gonna make for a hilarious video.
What?
Because whenever you did that, I just zoomed in on you. How are you feeling right now? I mean,
I'm feeling like we're closer to boost than we were when we got here.
We definitely are. I mean, turbo is actually ordered up tonight. Throw the jack stands back under and
Jack stands back.
wrestle that header out.
I'm excited, man. Oh, man, this header is just hanging. Oh, she's coming. It's like if we ever had such, just a little bit more, like, lift on it.
Oh, it's like some guy who used the tall blocks. Get it?
Whew. I think it's coming. Oh! Now's when we need to play like some like music.
Man, that looks like a factory header.
Man, so that's what those look like. I've never seen one in person. Wow, that thing is nuts. The only thing that would have been sweeter if it would have went 4-1, not 42-1. Why would they do that?
sure they probably have an air for a reason.
It's intense.
Man.
Insanely intense.
I was just kidding about this whole turbo thing. What are your thoughts?
I'm pumped. Now we're gonna wait how long for the turbo to come in.
I don't know.
Well, we gotta get ordering all this stuff up.
There's some decent room for a turbo. Oh, there is a lot of room for a turbo. It's been confirmed.
Oh, wow, yeah. Ben confirmed it.
My sources tell me there are a lot of
turbo confirmer. Wonder what it would sound like now if fired it up.
Death.
There's no going back.
Then right after that, Cross can get to bed.
No cookies. Man, this is like your dream. All right.
This thing got tore up today.
Man, it really did.
Look at that. It doesn't even look like a car anymore.
You will give him the closing scene and close. See if you're good at it.
What do you want me to say?
Say the usual.
I don't feel comfortable doing that. Not my channel. I don't want that responsibility. If you like this video, hit the like button, and subscribe.
Smash it. Smash it. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one.